Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a VW Touran here on a 2005 plate. I've had a few requests on regards to the light changes on the front, but before I go to the front, I'm just going to show you the back. Now if you can switch the lights on please. Now as you can see here, we've got this one working, we've got the middle one there is not working, and the bottom one's working. On this side, now the top one ain't working, both of the bottom ones are working. Now if you press the brakes, now you see the top one's working on here, the top one's working on this side as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb on the back in a minute, but before I go do that, I'm going to show you on the front. Now on these ones here, the side lights, which is the top one here, that's the main beam, that's dip beam, and that's the main fold beam here, and that's the indicator. Now to replace it, it's quite a simple procedure on these. Obviously the lights are working on this, so I'm not going to really replace any of it. But to do the side light on this, all you got to do is you got to remember the top one here, right? Is just to pull and push, pull and push bulb. So you pull it out, put a 501 bulb in there, push it back in, job done. The bottom one's indicator. You twist it to your left or to your right, whichever way it is. Twist it, pull it out, change the indicator bulb, pull it back in. This one here, it's a H7 bulb. As you can see in there, so where is it? Here we go. It's a H7 bulb. So all you do is twist it, take it out, take the bulb out, replace it with a new one, push it back in. On the back here, you got a cover. Take the cover out. Same thing again. Twist it. I'll show you if I can see it from here. But it is quite awkward, so you can't see it. You got to get your hands in there and just work your magic. And that's it. That's all you got to do on the front one. Same procedure on the other side as well. As you see, take the cover off and then change the side lights if you have to. And that's it. So what we're going to do now, get to the back. The back is quite simple. So if I open the boot, now all I've got to do first is remove this cover. You can't do anything from here, so leave it as it is. So you've got to remove the cover. Gently pull the cover out. Now you've got the T-Torx bit here. As you see, it's a T25. I'd get a T25. I'll show you my toolbox as well today. Now you've got a T25, that's a T15, I don't want that. So you've got the T25 here. Yep, that's a T25. I'll get the screwdriver bit as well. All you then do is undo it. You can use a Phillips screwdriver on it if you've got a small, not a Phillips, sorry, straight screwdriver if you've got one. Right, once you undo these, take them out all the way, take the screw out, put it onto the side, get the bottom one out as well. Now the screws are out. You gently, there's a lug on the back here. See there's a lug there, so what you do, you gently pull the tail light towards you. So it's going to be, oh, not towards you, sorry. You push it that way. Alright, so once you've got it done, take the whole thing out. Now you've only got two clips here. You push them in gently, so you don't want to break it. And then pull the whole lot out. Now I've already got the bulbs, which is a 245 and a 380. So we'll do the 380 bulb first. Alright, somebody's obviously fitted an incorrect bulb in there, so that should be a single filament bulb, not a double one. So someone's fitted a double filament. I'm going to go and grab the bulb. Now I've got the right bulb, which is a 382, so I'll take the bulb out. I've got two because the other one I can see is quite dark, so I'm going to just replace the other one as well at the same time, which is this one here. That's a quite dark looking bulb. So I'll first put this one in, that's connected, get this one out, get the new one out. replace this bulb as well. If you've got two of the lugs here inside, if you're two filament, that means a double filament bulb, but this is a single filament one. Change that one as well. Now I've got the 245, which is the small bulb. That's quite dark as well, so I'm going to replace the bulb on this one. Put a new one in. Now before I do it, before I put everything back together, I'm just going to switch the lights on and see if they're all working. Now I've got the lights on. As you can see now, all three of them are working. Right, that's possibly the fog light bulb, so I wouldn't really worry about that for the minute. But all three of them working. I need the third one working, which is the middle one on this side as well. That's all you got to do. Same procedure on this side. Change the bulb, which is a 245 small one. Right, that's all you got to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.